Resurge Review, Deep Sleep Supplement. Get Resurge for the lowest price available online. Resurge Supplement, John Barbon's Deep Sleep. Resurge FAQs. How many bottles should I order? Research shows it's best to take Resurge consistently for at least 90 to 180 days to experience optimal results and to ensure you reach your desired weight and that you stay there. Therefore, we strongly recommend you take advantage of our 3-bottle or 6-bottle discount packages. We're only able to guarantee this special pricing for today or until our limited inventory runs out, and we're selling out of our current stock faster than anyone could have ever anticipated. The fact is, we guarantee you'll never be able to buy Resurge cheaper than today, which is another important reason why picking up at least 90 to 180 days worth is definitely the smart option. Is Resurge safe? Resurge is absolutely 100% natural, safe and effective. Many thousands of folks enjoy taking Resurge every day and there has been absolutely zero side effects reported. Every capsule of Resurge is manufactured here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standards. Resurge is 100% all natural and non-GMO. As always, if you have a medical condition, it's recommended to consult with your doctor. Will Resurge work for me? In a word, yes. There has never been anything else like Resurge in history of health. Resurge is the world's first and only anti-aging nutritional protocol that targets the true cause of unexplained weight gain, stubborn belly fat and metabolic slowdown. Resurge is the only product in the world to contain 8 special nutrients in the exact amounts scientifically proven to improve deep sleep and enhance natural metabolic regeneration in both women and men. Burning fat, restoring your health, and turning back the clock simply could not be easier or more automatic. What is the best way to take Resurge? Simply take Resurge with a glass of water 1 hour before bed. How will Resurge be shipped to me and how quickly? We will ship your order directly to your home or office using a premium carrier such as FedEx or UPS, and if you're in the US or Canada, you can expect your order within 5 to 7 business days. International orders typically take 8 to 15 business days plus customs clearance time. Rush shipping is available. Will I be billed anything else after I order? Absolutely not. Rest assured, this is a one-time payment only. This is not an auto-ship program of any kind. There are no hidden charges or subscription fees whatsoever. I've always hated that stuff as much as you do. What if Resurge doesn't work for me? I'm so confident that you'll experience more profound, life-changing results than literally anything you've ever purchased before. I'm not just promising the results, I'm going to guarantee them. Resurge is backed by a 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee to make getting started an absolute no-brainer for you. If Resurge doesn't turn out to be the best decision you've ever made, or if you change your mind for any reason whatsoever, just email us at support@resurge.com anytime in the next 60 days and we'll refund you the purchase price right away. My team and I are extremely easy to get a hold of. There's simply no risk to you. It's time to get started. This product is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee for 60 full days from your original purchase. If you're not totally and completely satisfied with this product, your results or your experience in the first 60 days from your purchase, simply let us know by calling our toll-free number or dropping us an email and we'll give you a full refund within 48 hours of the product being returned. That's right, simply return the product, even empty bottles, anytime within 60 days of your purchase and you'll receive a full, no questions asked refund, less shipping and handling. Click the link below this video to get Resurge from a discount price from its official website now.